Everyone, it's Dr. Barrett. We have an exciting resurfacing procedure for you today. This is our patient. She's 35 years old. We're going to do a little bit of liposuction, but the thing I want to show you today is how we're going to do a CO2 laser to resurface some sun-damaged wrinkles of her chest and her abdomen. So stay tuned. So we're going to do surgical scar remodeling with the CO2 laser. This is really important for her because she had previous breast surgery. You can see these thick scars right here. Okay? So we did a test fire on our laser. This is a very deep laser that's meant for surgical scars. And then we're going to resurface the entire area more superficially, all in this other area. So we're going to start with the deep FX here and then switch to active FX and totally rejuvenate the whole area. So I'll show you what that looks like, you guys. Doesn't look like much on the surface, but those are tiny little needles going all the way deep. Look at that, that's beautiful. All right, check it out. We are done with the deep FX portion, you guys. You can see that line of scar is hyperemic right now. That's gonna really help remodel those incisions. All right, so we're getting started now on the patient. Getting a nice, beautiful pattern. So look at these wrinkles are really just disappearing as we're doing this. This is awesome. And again, this machine is really the gold standard when it comes to CO2 laser resurfacing. Obviously on the body, we have to lower the settings tremendously. All right, so we are now pretty good pattern here, you guys. Check this out. We're gonna feather our edges all through here, okay? So this is not consistent squares. This is me painting the edges so that we don't get a line of demarcation of where she has the brand new skin, okay? This feathers out. This is called painting. Check out our laser result here. You can see all of that is going to be brand new skin once it's healed, about 7 to 10 days. Beautiful. Check out the lipo result too. Beautiful. You guys, we're done with that beautiful body contouring case and CO2 laser resurfacing. We addressed two focal issues for our patients. She had previous scars of her breast surgery, and then she also had sun-damaged wrinkles of her chest. So that's why we used our Lumenis UltraPulse laser, the gold standard when it comes to laser resurfacing or scar remodeling. Okay, the first handpiece we used was called the Deep FX, and that we used on the surgical scars here. Okay, we used a moderate setting for her, and you saw that. That's like drilling a deep, very narrow hole all the way through the depth of that scar. So we remodel from the bottom all the way up. You lay down that good collagen and the scar softens. Next, we did a resurfacing with the active FX. That's more of a painting, superficial thing to help those fine lines and those sun-damaged wrinkles. Okay, so we focused here, and then also those abdominal lines that were all across there. All right. Now, we also did a liposuction as well, which is going to beautifully add to the result. Expect about 7 to 10 days when you're thinking of doing CO2 laser resurfacing. We had to put some Aquaphor on there, and starting to see good results right around 2 to 3 weeks. Definitely need sun protection if you're planning on doing CO2 laser resurfacing. So that's it for our resurfacing case and our body liposuction. You guys, if you have any more questions about that, check out my website, drdanielbarrett.com. Feel free to leave your comments, questions, feedback right here on my YouTube page. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see cool surgeries like this in the future.